Most of the projects have a specific budget associated with them. And the most important factor that drives that cost is the amount of time that the resources spent on the projects. There can be other costs that are involved, such as hardware related costs, but this is the most important factor. And in order to control this factor, the project managers need to keep an eye on the number of hours that resources are spending on the project and predict any potential increase in cost. And if there is any potential increase in cost, first they need to try to bring it back down by maybe discussing it with the team. If it can't be brought down, this information needs to be passed down to the respective stakeholders, and those stakeholders can then collectively decide what should be the next steps. Finally, let's talk about quality. So your cost should not hamper quality. If you deliver something that does not work as intended, then it has not actually served its purpose. Here at Code District, we believe that all developers should be good QAs. And the reason for that is that developers are able to foresee, identify a list of all of the bugs that can come up in an application that sometimes even QA find difficult to find. The reason for that is that they are the people who are actually writing the code. Over time, we have identified various quality control measures that we follow at Code District. One is obviously to nourish the developer mindset to be good QS. And then we have at the very start of the project, we basically write a list of all of the test cases which cover the functional as well as the non-functional requirements. The non-functional requirements can basically include performance related testing as well as data integrity related testing and so on. Then in our project swimlanes, we have merged the QA lifecycle within it. So any ticket that is developed is basically goes through a QA cycle. It cannot go to any staging or production environment without going through that cycle. And after each and every release, we do a regression test, we do smoke testing regularly, and we also write automated test cases in certain scenarios, and those automated test cases are basically executed whenever there is a commit on each and every environment that we have set up. So whenever a developer push their code, that code basically that code basically goes into GitHub or Bitbucket, and that executes a pipeline which runs all of the unit test cases. If any of the unit test cases fail due to the code being committed, that would be automatically get rejected. The developer have to fix whatever needs to get fixed and then resubmit the code. And we also perform penetration testing wherever required. In conclusion, the art of managing these three project constraints is complex but rewarding. Project managers who are able to navigate through these three project constraints and create a balance between them can not only deliver a successful project but can foster a relationship with the client that can go a long way. Looking to get your projects on time and within budget, shoot us an email at info@codedistrict.com.